that just came out. Whew, what a busy day in regards to videos for today. I hope everyone's having a great day. I just finished the video in regards to Justin Combs' mom, Misa, speaking out in regards to she's not happy in regards to how her son was handled, in regards to the raid and how Homeland Security came into the home. But I was saying earlier, why was he in the home by the why were they there by themselves? So please, I need somebody to correct me if I'm wrong. Do you recall, because I could be wrong, do you recall Diddy trying to make his way back to the house? Do you recall her trying to get to the house? I haven't heard that. And let me check my sound real quick. I'm gonna check my sound real quick. I hope everyone's doing well. At first, I wasn't gonna do another video, but I'm trying to go live more this way to hopefully improve my numbers. I get a lot of views per month, and I want to try to start coming live more often. I'm trying to check the sound, so just give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. But yeah, an article just came out, exclusive. Okay, good. Exclusive from the Jasmine brand. And please let me know, one, if you can hear me okay, two, if the sound is a little muffled. Okay. Okay. So let's get into what's being said. It's going to take a little time for people to come in, but as you're coming in, please hit the thumbs up. I did a video earlier today. I think it got 45, 50 views, and only a few hit the thumbs up. Now, my video that I did earlier today, that I had 100 and something, several people hit the thumbs up. So I need everyone to hit the thumbs up. We say it for a reason because it lets everybody know we're here. Okay, so exclusive from the Jasmine brand. This was like, say, an hour ago. It's basically saying Christian Combs' lawyer is being questioned in regards to the son being questioned about a woman questioning him, and she has pictures of her injuries. I have to watch what I say, but let me get into the article. Okay, Jasmine Van exclusive reports details surrounding new allegations facing Christian Combs and Sean Combs has been released. Earlier today, it was reported that Christian Combs is being named in a looming lawsuit accusing of touching without being given permission. I have to say it that way. Hard. Um, the Star in regards to SA and dragging a woman, allegedly. In an exclusive statement from the Jasmine brand, an attorney, I'll say his first name, well, Tyrone Blackburn, confirms this tells us that Diddy is aware of the lawsuit of his sons are facing. The attorney has also been informed that Mr. Blackburn is also telling us that the photos in regards to the client's injuries was added, and it will be filed in the coming weeks. Now we know that there's been several amendments to Tyrone, Mr. Rod's lawsuit, and we understand that they keep amending it because more and more stuff is coming out, and more stuff that's coming out, they have to amend it. They can't hold on to evidence for weeks and weeks and weeks. They're making sure if something has to be amended, whether this picture was wrong or that picture was wrong or that statement was wrong, they have to make adjustments. Listen, I'm not a lawyer, but this is coming out from the Jasmine brand in regards to the client is speaking out in regards to the concerning injuries and pictures they have. Hello? Everyone hit the like button, please. I see that people are in here, but I need people to hit the like button to support the page. I'm not asking $5 or $10. I just need y'all to hit the like button and share it, please. So, are you surprised? Note in the comments, are you surprised that more articles are coming out in regards to Kristen and Justin? And will other people start talking about this in regards to, oh, y'all, I didn't even think about that. Are other people going to allegedly start coming out and speaking out We saw what happened in regards to the Cassie lawsuit, and we saw it's been like a domino effect. Should there be concerns in regards to alleged other people trying to speak out of what they experienced? Now, they have not been charged. It's only that the documents are coming together and the allegations are coming together, and documents and pictures are being put in the lawsuit. So not only are they talking about Diddy and their concerns he's had, but they're bringing his children into it. And it basically states in regards to the details surrounding the allegations facing Christian Combs and Sean Combs. So there's concerns in regards to Christian Combs and Sean Combs. So the biggest thing is you got Misa speaking out on her son's behalf, who is Justin. And then you have Christian Combs, who is almost spitting image of Diddy. And it's funny, it's interesting, not funny. Um it's interesting how he has the children. Many people are surprised that a lot of these boys aren't with the moms. R.I.P. to Kim Porter. But many people are interested in knowing how is it that the boys are living with him and not their moms or around their moms. Now, if you did not catch my video, I haven't been able to upload it yet. Let's talk about Misa, and then I'm gonna get back to this one. Misa is upset in regards to the extreme alleged force that was put upon her son Justin. Now, many people are saying if Mr. Combs, if P. Diddy, Sean Combs did know about the possible raid, why was your son there and not at your home? And why didn't Diddy fly back to the house when he knew about the raid? Hello, is anybody asking that? If you know your sons are being handcuffed in question, they're on the ground, you have to be, restraint allegedly. Never known anybody to get raided, but you see the pictures that the guys are coming out. They're handcuffed. They're on the ground, and they're taking pictures. They also took pictures. So Homeland Security is going to do everything they can to protect themselves. They don't want something to happen. And in the video, you will see that there's a flying object in the air, and there's things that's drawn on these younger guys. But let me ask, did anybody hear that Diddy was trying to make his way back to his home? Did you guys hear that if Misha, did you hear that she was trying to get into the home to try and grab her son or talk with her son? Misa. Yeah, her name's Misa. So, um, let's see. Let me see about this one. She's speaking out. She's not happy how Homeland Security handled her son, and Misa, is actually looking for a lawyer to help her with this case. Are you guys surprised? Because the biggest thing is she had children. She had a child by Diddy, and his name has been in the industry and not painted in that great of a light. And like I said before, Diddy has not been charged. A judge or a jury will have to decide if there has happened anything has happened and if there's any wrongdoing on Diddy's part. Now, if they're putting out statements in regards to Justin and in regards to Christian, that's concerning. Will more people come out too? That's concerning. But the biggest thing is we get that the mom is going to speak up, try to protect her child. But you got to remember, Justin was the one that had the DUI last year. And I think it was a day before Quincy's birthday, right? 2 days or a day before Quincy's birthday. But the biggest thing is, many people are saying, how is it that Diddy wants the children with him and not the moms? Have you noticed that? Now that they're older, it's not like they can't live with their moms, right? If you know that there's the Cassie lawsuit, you know that there's the, Rodney, what is his name? Rodney? You know about the Rodney lawsuit. Why aren't the guys being around other family members outside of Diddy? The kids didn't have to be there. Why didn't he take his sons with him to and on the vacation? Some are asking, did he know? Did he know? Did his lawyer know? Did they tell him months before and he just did not know when? But even if that's what it is, why didn't he tell his sons, go to your mom's? I don't know what's going to happen. Let's go to Bali for a month. I don't know what's going to happen. Wake up. And think about it. If this young lady has pictures in regards to the complaint about Mr. Combs, the son, that's concerning. That's concerning. That's very concerning. Now, like I said, he has not been, no one has been charged. Diddy hasn't been charged. Justin has been charged. Christian hasn't been charged. Even the day of the raid, they didn't go to jail. They were only held, but they did not go to jail. But the biggest thing is, why wasn't Diddy and why didn't Diddy make his way back to his home when his children were sitting on that ground? And did he not just go back on vacation? And I'm not certain if, now think about this. When we saw a picture of the girls, some people are saying whether that's real or fake. If the girls were actually, if that was really Diddy's girls or if that was fake. If that was like women that was security or something. Those girls that was with him a few days after, 3, 4 days after, that looked like his daughters. That did not look like people that was fake. It just did not. But people are having conspiracy theories that those weren't his daughters, but I think that those were his daughters, because when you look at the height, you look at the skin, his daughters are normally with him. With everything that's going on, I would imagine that Diddy would have his daughters with him. But many people are asking, why wasn't Justin and why wasn't Christian flown to be with their dad the day of the raid? Now, I read that the day of the raid, they went back to the house to grab some of their things. But why didn't Diddy fly back to his home in LA? That's my biggest question, right? If your children are having a concern, why would you not fly back to the house? And was Misa trying to get into the house or near her son at all? So, like I mentioned before, Misa is going to definitely file an alleged lawsuit in regards to what Homeland Security put her son through. Now, like I mentioned before, this is now coming out. This is breaking news from the Jasmine brand that Christian Combs and Sean Combs have been, information is being released about what has happened in regards to a girl is reporting and she's telling what she experienced, and allegedly there's photos, and allegedly she talked about what she experienced and she's showing her alleged injuries. That's all concerning, y'all. I mean, at what point? People go through stuff, they do. But in the last 25 years, a lot of people haven't had a lot of good things to say about Diddy. That's the concern. And like I said before, judge, jury will have to decide if he is guilty or not guilty. But you also have that people are speaking about the club night. What really happened? Did anybody bring in a powder to pow, 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 to pow, pow, pow into the club? Did the young lady really see somebody aim at her? And did he really tell somebody that he was the one that allegedly did that night? There's so many things that's coming up. There's so many things that's said. And this is the other thing too. And everyone thumbs up. People are coming in, but they're not hitting the thumbs up button. Please hit the thumbs up button. Remember how there was an arrest in regards to the mule? Why was he the only one arrested? Is it because he was at the airport? They weren't on the plane? Or let me know in the comments. Was everyone on the plane and then taken off the plane? Because normally if there's something that's on someone, everybody gets arrested, right? Am I wrong? If there's an attorney, please note it in the comments. Is it because he was at the airport by himself or entering the airport, they found it and he did not, of course, get on the plane? And maybe that's why he was solely arrested and not everybody else. This is the biggest thing. Will the mule, if there is a court date, if there is going to be a judge or a jury, will the mule testify against Diddy? That's a big question. But this is exclusive that's coming out in regards to Christian Combs. Christian Combs' lawyer accusing the sons of SA, and they're talking about what the young lady experienced. There's pictures, and the client is showing the injuries, and there's alleged photos that may be a part of a file. Go over to the Jasmine brand, they'll tell you more. I'm sure Hollywood Unlock is going to cover it too. But are you guys surprised that this is coming out in regards to Christian Combs? And the biggest thing is, the dad, did he ruin his younger son's life? The party life. We think about Justin Bieber. We think about what Usher talked about. We think about, the events. And then remember, I think there was a video of somebody saying to Diddy, "How do you feel about partying with your sons?" Because they weren't children. "How do you feel about partying with your sons?" And I think he had said something about, "Oh, it's not that big of a deal. They're grown men now." Here nor there. Should the finger be pointed at the dad of putting his children in that environment and not letting them be with their moms, raised with their moms? Oh, and then you got to remember, in regards to the recent lawsuit, there's allegations that some of their friends, the Coen brothers, Justin and Christian, some of their friends have been to the events. Whether that's true or false, I don't know. People are going to have to speak up. I'm sure the police is going to sit down and speak with a lot of people. And they're being said that a lot of people are going to have to get lawyers. They're going to have to get lawyers. If their people are called to speak with the police, you should have your lawyer there. Many people are saying people are going to be questioned. The biggest thing is, thanks for hitting the like button. Everyone hit the like button as you're coming in. Whoever did that, thanks for hitting the like button. You wouldn't believe how much it helps when you hit the like button. It goes out and let more people know that we're here. Um, are you surprised that people are speaking out? Have you noticed more and more people are speaking out what their experience has been? And they have to, of course, go to the police. They have to be the ones that file police reports. And if they're going to file another lawsuit, do you think more lawsuits are coming in the coming months? Or do you think that there is going to be people that's questioned by the police? That's the biggest question. I recently heard Gene Dill speak out. Go check out that video. Very, very interesting of what Gene Dills is saying. Very interesting. Mind you, Gene Dill was Diddy's past bodyguard. And I'm not certain who his new bodyguard is now. Note in the comments, do you know who Diddy's new bodyguard is now? And how he plays the role? And are a lot of the bodyguards that's been with Diddy, are they going to be questioned and investigated? Y'all, there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. Let me see if Hollywood Unlocked has actually spoke out. This is coming from the Jasmine brand in regards to the son, and um, the young lady is speaking out of what she experienced hanging around a Combs. Um, right now they're basically talking about Stevie J, so I'll get to that later. But yeah, if you're just now coming in, it's being reported from the Jasmine brand that Christian Combs' lawyer, and there's a victim that's actually speaking out, and she's talking about SA. She's talking about what if something was put in her cocktail. She's talking about that there's pictures, and she's showing pictures of her injuries. It's a lot, y'all. It's a lot. Let me know in the comments how you feel about everything that's going on. Do you feel that the parents have to be looked at, whether it's Misa, whether it's Diddy, whether it's, you know, should, when all these lawsuits came about, should the children have separated themselves from the dad and not been involved? Are the children trying to spend as much time with him because they don't know what's going to happen in the next 4 to 6 months? Would you let note in the comments, would you stand by your mother, father, if they house was raided, would you feel that Diddy should have been making his way back to the LA home as his house was raided? Do you feel that the children should have been living with the mothers? RIP to Kim Porter. There's questions about that. What really happened? And like I said, in regards to anything, judge or jury will have to decide if there's any wrongdoing. Diddy has not been charged. Justin has not been charged. Christian has not been charged. Right now, there's a lot of questions in regards to legal documents, update on documents, and there's just a lot of questions that everybody has. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for supporting the channel. Go check out some of my other lives from earlier today. Don't forget to hit the like button, it really helps every page. Sometimes when I'm watching videos and I'm watching the video on my TV and I have my tablet next to me, I will go back and I'll hit the like button to support the channels. So definitely hit it supporting the channels, liking, sharing, that's free. The best way to support channels is to like, comment, and subscribe. So I will keep an update on this story in regards to Christian Combs and in regards to a young lady speaking out of what she experienced. Whether you're Christian Combs, whether you're Justin Combs, whether you're Diddy, they haven't been arrested. They're just being investigated, and there's been no charges. And Diddy has basically stated he is not guilty of the charges. Mind you, Diddy's lawyer has made a statement. Cassie has made a statement. Um, and Cassie's lawyer has made a statement in regards to they're going to do everything they can in regards to what law enforcement is seeking from Cassie. So, has this been a domino effect? Is when I did the video earlier today, remember how he had said, um, I need to know if you stand by me. I need to, he's working on trying to rebrand himself, maybe. Some people feel nothing's going to happen. I'm surprised. Some people are feeling that nothing will happen, but we don't know. A judge or jury will have to decide. But thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. And everyone, have a great day.